Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an ASOS haul, which is actually a really good one and I really enjoyed the pieces. I have been on a weight loss journey, so I did buy a few of the things too big. So some of the pieces in the video that I said I liked, I ended up returning just because they were too big, but I plan on buying them in a smaller size. So everything I said is still kind of true, and I'm really excited because there's some good pieces for the upcoming kind of spring summer, more elegant kind of style and a little bit away from like the, you know, insta ho style that we see all the time. So I'm really excited about that. And also today's video is sponsored by Clinique, so thank you so much to Clinique for sending me these goodies and partnering with me on this video. So here are some of the goodies I want to talk to you about from Clinique. I'm absolutely obsessed with the Deep Comfort body butter. I love that it comes in this big jar and I love the packaging. This stuff is amazing. It's fragrance free and it has this butter rich intense freaking feeling to it. Like it is just like a spa on your skin. I mean, it just smells like fresh, like baby lotion in a way, and it just gives you that amazing glow to the skin without leaving it greasy. It's so supple and moisturized without leaving it greasy, and I absolutely love this. And it's really good if you have sensitive skin. I tend to get hives sometimes for no reason, so I have to be careful, and this has been amazing. Next we have the perfume Happy, which is one of those classics, and I love this little orange, neon orange packaging. It's so good for summer, and the packaging really tells you what it smells like because it's like this burst of citrus and florals, and it's so yummy. It's such a classic. It really does make you happy because citrus like wakes you up, and it just like, it's like this classic, delicious, light, airy, fresh scent. Perfect to keep in your purse at all times for refreshing. You could wear this all times of day, even at night. You first smell it, it has that citrusy, bright scent. And then as it starts to sit, it gets deeper and sexier and more floral. And it's such a good, classic, affordable fragrance. And then of course, there's nothing like the classic Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing Moisture Surge. So it has this gorgeous like gel-like moisturizing consistency that just your skin just soaks up. You can even use this over your makeup, and you can use it as a mask. So you can put a thick layer and leave it for a few minutes, and it soaks into the skin, and it has so many purposes. So use this as a base before makeup. You can use it over your makeup. So many great uses for this, and it's so affordable. So let's get into the video, but thank you so much to Clinique, and don't forget to like and comment. Let Clinique know that you want to see more content like this with me, and yeah, let them know that you want to see me work with them because I would love to do more content for Clinique. So thank you, Clinique. Let's go. Okay, so this first piece here is this really cute little midi dress. I really love this simple kind of elegant design and style of it with this little scalloped sweetheart neckline, which I thought was really pretty. I got it about a size too big because I wanted it to feel really nice on the hips. I didn't want it to be tight, but it is big on me. On the top, as you can see, I have a lot of space as well as the straps. So if I wear it, I'm definitely gonna have to get it taken in here and have the straps fixed. And then also I'm finding there's a little bit of like, there's like extra fabric like here because the material is kind of stiff, and so it kind of gapes where my natural waist sits. The dress doesn't really like fall into it properly. Maybe I just have to adjust it. You know what? It's a little bit better now that I adjusted it. I think it's a little bit better now that I've adjusted it, but the top still has to get fixed. And you guys know we're going to Florence, Italy at the end of the month, so I felt like this had like a Italian little gal about town kind of vibe, like just ciao bella, catching a little vino, you know, like I just feel like it looks Italian to me. What do you guys think? I am completely obsessed with. I got both of these pieces to wear together because I just felt like this is such a basic, chic, classic kind of style. I feel like this will look so cute in Italy because I can wear sneakers with this and I can wear biker shorts underneath. and still be super comfortable all day to walk around. But then when I want to take a photo, I can switch to heels or sandals that I'll have with me and instantly have like a really chic outfit. And again, if I bring a black blazer if it gets cold, you can still throw on like a blazer with this, or a coat, a duster, and still have like a really cute look. I feel like this is such a vibe. Again, you could wear boots with this. I feel like even knee-high boots would look really cool with this look. It would just give it like a very cool downtown girl kind of vibe. And then if you pair it with like black heels, I think it would look very chic, very model-esque. Next piece is this violet or lavender lilac. I think it's like more of a lilac blazer. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with this outfit because it looks kind of like somebody's auntie going to church on Easter. This would definitely be worn with a completely different outfit. But I don't know, something about the purple I really liked, because for me, I'm that girl, when I don't know what to wear, I go and I just throw on colorful blazer, jeans, cute heels, fun bag, good makeup, hair in my favorite style. Like when I'm rushing and I don't know what to do and I'm like freaking out, what do I wear? That is my formula. Blazer, jeans, and cute accessories, and you always look put together. And every single time I do those outfits is when I get so many compliments on my outfit. So, you know, it works. And I think for the summer and the spring, it's just so good to have like a bunch of colorful blazers, because they always look good, they always look appropriate. It's the only time of year you can wear these kinds of colors. It's fun, it's easy. This one is particularly light. Like it's a very spring summer kind of blazer, which I really like. It feels like I'm wearing almost nothing. As far as the style or the fit, I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, just because I think I have to pair it with pants to know. But I think I'm gonna like it. So far, the way it feels, it's right up my alley. I like my blazers to be slightly oversized. So for me, that's like, if it ends like middle to end of my booty area and kind of like right after my hips, I feel like that's the sweet spot for my body type. Because if it's too short, it sits right on my hips and it looks weird. If it's too long, it like eats me up and swallows me, and then I look bigger. But I think in this kind of length is like perfect for my body. And then I like to kind of put the sleeves up like this because I'm short and I need to elongate my limbs. So yeah, I think I really like this blazer. And I love the color too. It's like the perfect muted lilac color. And it has pockets. I'm wondering if I could switch the buttons. I feel like a nice, like expensive looking button, like a light colored button on this would look even better. I think it would elevate it a lot, but super cute. Okay, this next piece, I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It's really big on me, even being as wide as I am. Like, you see how long it is? It's super long. In the front, it's even longer. It's just a lot of space, and I'm not that big a person. I just have big hips, so I feel like it's swallowing me. This next piece I love. I think it's so much fun, and I love, love, love pieces like this because you can kind of wear the most comfortable outfit underneath and then fake that you're dressed up with this like robe top, because it's not, you know, a dress. It's clearly open. And so I just paired it with black biker shorts and the same square neck tank top from earlier. So yeah, and I love that you can literally be wearing bike shorts and a little tank top, and this just makes it feel like you're dressed up. So this is definitely going to be one of my outfits for Italy because I think the color is gorgeous. It has those nude prints that I love. It has like a snake print. It's very lightweight and comfortable, so even if it's like 65 degrees, 70 degrees, I will not be hot. And if I need to take it off, fine. I have bike shorts on, whatever. I can wear this with sneakers and look really cute, and then of course switch into a heel for a photo, or if I want to look more dressed up depending on where I'm going. Again, with the little thong heels. I should have gotten these in black. Maybe I'll get them in black because I think in black they would look really nice with this outfit and really nice with the black skirt, and then I won't have to bring multiple pairs of shoes. So I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, you know what? I have these in black. Wait, I'll be back with the shoes. Then I have my favorite little white mules in black. These are still like new. I don't even think I wore these last summer. I wore the white ones so much, so maybe this summer the black ones will be my new favorite. I don't know, but I feel like for some reason the white just feels more, the black feels more Italian, you know, just a little bit sexier. Like if I had to choose between something like this and wearing like leggings and something really uncomfortable and something ugly, I'd rather wear something like this that kind of, to me, still looks fat, you know, kind of fancy, kind of dressed up, but it still feels super comfortable. So yeah, definitely gonna take this. This could also be used as a beach cover-up. So if you're also gonna be traveling and you're gonna go somewhere beachy, this could be an option, like I said, that you could wear as an outfit and then have your swimsuit underneath and then wear it as a cover-up. And it could get wet and it would dry very, very quickly. So good option for a vacation. Okay, so this last piece is a trench coat as well, but this one is like a really nice basic classic trench coat with no funny business, no hoodie, no plaid, no design, no black, no weird stuff happening. It's 100% a basic beige khaki, whatever you want to call it, more like a khaki trench coat. It is the perfect classic trench coat. And I have been looking for one for so long. So before I went to Paris in December, I have bought a bunch of trench coats from ASOS. I think I did a haul, I'll link it, but I got this trench coat that has some like design on it. You guys can see in the corner here. I got this one from ASOS. Oh, I got this one that you guys really love from Pretty Little Thing. It's olive with this like dark brown khaki kind of color. Like I got a bunch of trench coats, right? I could not find one that was plain like this to save my life. And so I realized since then, every time I got dressed and I wanted a basic coat to just throw over my outfit, I never had one that was just like basic beige, you know, just like classic. So definitely happy with this one. And I can actually button it, which is nice because you want stuff to fit you, at least enough that it looks like it fits, you know. And with this, I can wear it closed. And my favorite part is that the sleeves are adjustable. My arms are so tiny compared to how big the ASOS sleeves are. And so when I can't adjust like the wrist, it just ruins the outfit for me. It's very difficult. This one, you can actually pull this and it has like a little buckle to tighten it. So I love that kind of look because it's very feminine. It gives like that trumpet kind of effect to the arm and I love that. So this is a win. I think I will be taking this one, exclusively this one, to Florence. I'm gonna wear it on the plane and I don't think I'm gonna bring any other coat. I think I'm gonna commit to that because I feel like this could be worn over something casual and look street style, but then it could also be worn over something elegant and look elegant. I got these little wide width sandals because I thought they would look so cute with a lot of the outfits as a casual shoe option that I could actually walk in. And it has like these little pearls. They're not the cutest thing in the world, but if it's this versus like ugly chunky sneakers or uncomfortable heels, I'm gonna choose these. So I'm gonna try it on and see how they fit. They are adjustable, so you can adjust them here and here. I feel like a giant baby, but they're so comfortable. I feel like I'm walking on a cloud. I also got these little white heels, but they run small. I got my regular size 8, but I think I needed a 9 in these, but they're really, really pretty. I thought they were pretty for spring and summer, but that is the last piece, guys. That is my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that I'm not in it. I don't have makeup on, but I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, stay glam.